18. Okay. This is the answer for yesterday's homework. Whoever solved this correctly, very good, very good. Whoever not solved, try once again today, because today we are starting numericals only. That exercise we are going to solve. So let us take a quick revision, whatever we have done. Now we know what is definition of the matrix. You know what you mean by order of the matrix. You know types of matrix. What is definition for the matrix? Can anybody tell me? What is? Can anybody tell me? I can't say, because if you tell also I can't listen now. So you just revise yourself that what is definition of the matrix. Whatever the headings I will tell you, just go through that. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. It is denoted by capital letter. Entries are taken in small letters. Then after that, you must know how to write order of the matrix. General matrix means you have to take it as m by n matrix. M by n matrix means m number of rows and n number of columns. Okay. So you must be careful while writing the general matrix, and you know how important to learn to write general matrix also. Once again, I will show how to write general matrix. So I will take the example. I will take the example of this. Once again, I want to show you how to write a general matrix. It is a matrix of order m by n. So it is A11, A12, so on. It is A1J, so on, A1N. Now, second row, A21, A22, so on, A2J, so on, A2N, so on, AI1. It is ith row, AI2, so on, Aij, so on, Ain. Here also, so on. Last row, that is mth row, Am1, Am2, so on, Amj, so on, Amn. So this is what our general matrix order, where you have to write here. It is m by n matrix. Okay. See here, some of you have confusion for which is row and which is column. Okay, which is row and which is column. I will show you. This is first row. I will write it as R1. This is second row. Let me write it as R2. This is ith row. So it is Ri. R means row. Whatever subscription I will write here, that will be the which row it is. Next, this is Rm. This is mth row. Similarly, like this is there, means it is C1, first column. This is C2, second column. This is Cj, jth column. And this is Cn, last, nothing but nth column. Okay. Also, I have told you about this one. What does it tell you? It tells the position of the element. 2, 2 means what? First number tells you that row. Second number tells column. Which row, which column? 2, 2 means what? Second row, second column. I hope you are following me. Today we'll do sums on this. Then you will understand clearly. We'll be having doubt about row and column for some 4-5 classes, then it will be okay for you. Okay. So this is about how to write a general matrix. One more thing I want to tell you is, okay, if I take here, if you want to construct, 1 minute. Oh, if you want to construct a 2 by 3 matrix. How it will be? General 2 by 3 matrix. How it will be? So write general 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 means what? I should take 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns I should take. So 2 rows means it is A11, A12, A13. I should stop here. I should not go for A14. Only 3 columns they are telling. No, this is row, this is column. While writing first row only, you will get all the columns. So this is first column, second column, third column. First row completed. Second row I have to take. It is A21, it is A22, A23. This is how your 2 by 3 matrix will be. This is how a general 2 by 3 matrix will be. I hope you are following me. Okay. If you want to write 1 by 3 matrix, how 1 by 3 matrix looks? A is equal to only one row. A11, A12, A13. That's it. That's it. Okay, this is 1 by 3. You see, only one row. Horizontal line, how many possible? Only one. Vertical, how many possible? 1, 2, 3. That is what it is telling about. 1 by 3. Okay, so this is 1 by 3 matrix. Okay, if you want to write a matrix of 4 by 1, 4 by 1. So A is equal to, horizontal lines must be 4. It is A11. Don't write A12. See here, A12 is not correct because only one column you have. You have only one column. So 2 will never come. A12 will never come. So A11, A21, A31, A41. That's it. Okay. This is our matrix of order of order 4 by 1. So how many horizontal lines possible? 1 line, 2, 3, 4. 4 horizontal lines are there. Therefore, the value, the m by n, if you consider, means number of m is 4, number of n's are 1. So 4 horizontal rows, only one vertical column. Therefore, it is 4 by 1 matrix. I hope you are following me about how to write order. Okay. Now I will move forward. What I have to move, I have told you one more thing also. One more thing also, while writing, see here, a matrix of order 2 by 3 will never be equal to a matrix of order 3 by 2. You have to be very careful about this. Okay. See, matrix of order 2 by 3 means it looks like this. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is matrix of order 2 by 3. How 3 by 2? This is matrix of order 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. And this will be A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay. Of course, number of elements are equal. See here also you have 6 elements. Here also you have 6 elements. Number of elements are same, but both are different matrix. Okay. Here third column is there. Here third row is there. Therefore, these two are not equal. Matrix are not equal, but number of elements are equal. I hope you have cleared about your doubts of first class. This is what am I talking about? First class. Second class, what I told, that is yesterday's class, I discussed about types of matrix. Okay. So let me quickly go for types of matrix. So I'll explain types of matrix again. So how many types of matrix do we have? Here we have, first I discussed about column matrix. First I discussed about column matrix. Okay, what do you mean by column matrix? It contains only one column. So in general, order of this will be m by 1, m by 1. And it can also be defined as it is Aij of order m by 1. So always here value of j is 1 only. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. I ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ m ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ರೋಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. Example, look at this. This is example for column matrix. That means you should have only one column. Okay. Second one is row matrix. Okay, row matrix means what will be the order? 1 by n. Only one row you have to write. So it is A is equal to Aij. Order is 1 by n. Example, 2 root 3 4 minus 8 9. Okay, what is order of this matrix? 1. See, only one row you have. It is 1 by, how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 columns are there. Therefore the order of this matrix is 1 by 5. So this is what column matrix, this is what column matrix, and this is what row matrix. Third one will be square matrix. Square matrix is easy to remember. So what will be the square matrix? Square matrix means a matrix which has equal number of rows and columns. So number of rows is equal to number of columns. Therefore, either matrix order will be m by n, or else if you want you can write n by n. If it is n by n matrix, we just call it as a matrix of order n. Listen, if I say a matrix of order n means it is n by n. If I say a matrix of order 3 means it is 3 by 3. Fine. Okay, I'll give example for this. I am going to give example for 3 by 3 matrix, that is a matrix of order 3. So A is equal to 402 609 123. Let me write 1 minus 2 3. This is a square matrix of order 3. Order 3 means number of rows is 3, number of columns also 3. Instead of telling 3 by 3, simply we say 3 because rows and columns are equal here. Oh, after discussing about square matrix, I told you about diagonal elements. Told you about diagonal elements. So this is about diagonal elements. What are diagonal elements here? So diagonal elements are 4 0 3. These are called as diagonal elements. It is very important to identify diagonal elements. Okay. Next one is that is fourth matrix is diagonal matrix. It is diagonal matrix. So what do you mean by diagonal matrix? A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0. I will write 2 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 5. This is diagonal matrix. Okay. So this is diagonal matrix. Here immediately I take scalar matrix also because you have doubt about this, no? How to differentiate diagonal and scalar. Let me take scalar matrix now itself. 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. This is scalar matrix. So just look at this diagonal element. Just look at this diagonal element. See, in diagonal matrix, the diagonal elements are different. Whereas in scalar matrix, diagonal elements are equal, same. I hope you are following me. If I write A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, if I write a matrix like this, it is diagonal matrix. This is diagonal matrix because you see A, B, C, different numbers are there. Okay. That is, if you write A is equal to B is equal to C, that means A 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 A. This is your scalar matrix. Are you following me? So scalar means diagonal elements must be equal. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so whatever the number it might be, any number, but every diagonal element must be same. That is scalar matrix. Same idre scalar matrix, same illa andre diagonal matrix. Anyhow, because in diagonal element, in diagonal matrix or scalar matrix, non-diagonal elements are zero only. Shall I move to identity matrix? Oh. Identity matrix. So, identity. Identity matrix is denoted by the capital letter I. Always we denote it by capital letter I. See, identity matrix is a diagonal matrix, or else I can say identity matrix is a scalar matrix if diagonal elements are 1. I'll write one example. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Look at this matrix. This is identity matrix. This is identity matrix because at the diagonal elements you have 1. At the diagonal elements you have 1. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ identity matrix ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This can also be scalar matrix. Are you following me? This can also be scalar matrix. But this can also be diagonal matrix. ನೋಡಿ, diagonal matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರು ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ 2 ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸೇಮೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, if I write the example 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, if I write like this, it is not identity matrix. No, this is not identity, because observe the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements 2 ಇದೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? Diagonal elements 2 ಇದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. What is this? This is a scalar matrix. So identity matrix ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ diagonal elements 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. This is identity matrix of order 2. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? Tell me what is this? ಇದು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 1 by 1. Therefore it is ರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, One column there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ column matrix. It is row matrix. It is column matrix. Since number of rows are equal to number of columns, therefore it is square matrix. Is it diagonal? Yes, it is diagonal matrix. Is it scalar? Yes, it is scalar matrix. Is it identity? Yes, it is identity matrix. Are you following me? Okay. So suppose if I write 2 here, what will be this? It is row matrix. It is column matrix. It is square matrix. It is diagonal matrix. It is scalar matrix also, but not identity. But not identity. Identity ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು 1 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ. Okay. Some are asking what is difference between scalar and identity. I hope now you have understood what is difference between scalar and identity matrix. Fine. Yes, some are telling in identity matrix, diagonal element should be 1, but in scalar matrix it can be any number. Yes, very good. That is the main difference. Fine. Now I would like to go for zero matrix. Zero matrix will have no confusion. So what do you mean by zero matrix? Tell me. Zero matrix means, what do you mean by zero matrix? Zero matrix means every element of a matrix must be 0. It is a zero matrix. It is a zero matrix. This is a zero matrix. This is a zero matrix. Okay. See, zero matrix need not be square matrix. Square ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Square matrix ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, matrix ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, row matrix ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, column matrix ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay. Zero matrix is denoted by 0. We denote it by 0. Some are asking some doubts. Oh. Still any doubts are there, you can message me personally. Shall we move now to the next thing? Already we are getting. Okay. Now today I want to start 3.1 exercise. This is third chapter in your textbook. So I want to discuss exercise 3.1. It is in page number 64. If anybody have textbook means, please open your textbook. Please. Exercise 3.1. Okay, fine. So I'm going for exercise 3.1. Whoever having textbook, please open your textbook, page number 64. Okay. But some of you have do not have textbook, no? I request everyone that purchase textbook as early as possible. Okay. When you have purchased everyone, then I can go directly. But now you don't have textbook, no? So I need to tell you question also. First question itself is a very easy question and very important question. So I'll take first question. First question they have given. This is first question. As usual, don't try. See, you write somewhere else, like rough book or some page you write, because notes I will send. Otherwise, what happens? ನೀವು ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓದುವಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ಕೂಡ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ವೆರಿ ಸಾರಿ, ನೆನ್ನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, and I will send the photo of textbook exercise also. Exercise photo kuda ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us not make late. First question I want to start. They have given one matrix. Let me write that matrix first. They have given A is equal to, first row I am telling, 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, 2, 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Okay, look at this. This is the matrix they have given. What is their question? First bit. Question is order of the matrix. They're asking what is order of this matrix. Okay, now you know already how to find order. Then also I will tell again. You have first row, you have R1, you have R2, you have R3. So 3 rows are there. 3 by how many columns? First column, second column, third column, fourth column, 4 columns. So your answer is 3 by 4. Only this much. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ R C ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Just what is order? 3 by 4. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is 3 by 4. Second question. So first question over, no? Second question is, I am writing only answer. Second question is the number of elements. How many number of elements are there here? Order ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ go ahead, who will stop you? So answer is 12. 3 into 4, 12. Third question is write the elements. They are asking some elements. They are asking the element A13 how much, A21 how much, A33 how much, also A24 how much, A23 how much. They are asking this. A13 means what? First row, third column. This is A13, correct? So A13 is 19. Next they are asking A21, second row, first column. So this is A21, so it is minus 2. A33 means what? Third row, third column, this one. So it is minus 5. Next A24. So this is only A2 and this is 24. So this thing. So A24 is 12. Again A23 means 2 is this one, 3 is this one. So this is nothing but 5 by 2. So this is first question. Okay, nobody asking any doubt. Fine. I hope you understood first question. This is first question. What was there in the first question? They have given one matrix and they're asking you order of the matrix, number of elements in the matrix. Also they have asked you write the elements. Some elements they asked and you have written also. Okay, in between I am interrupting you. One doubt you asked. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಯಾವ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. I will tell you the question. ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ. ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇದು ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಡೌಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. So for order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Correct appa? Idu tumba janake doubt ide. Options enittu 27 ittu, 18 ittu, 81 ittu, 512 ittu. Okay. Now 3 by 3 matrix andre hegirutte nange onchuru heli. Hegirutte 1 2 3. I'm not writing elements. 1 2 3 1 2 3. ಇದಲ್ವೇನಪ್ಪ 3 by 3 matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾ? What must be the elements? 0 or 1 must be the element. ನೀವು ಒಂದೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 1 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 1 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 0 ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 1 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. either 0 or 1. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ? See, for every total number of elements ಎಷ್ಟು? Number of elements is equal to 9. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ? 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. either 0 or 1. So 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ? ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು? 2 to the power 9. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು? ಪರ್ಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್. So what is 2 to the power 9? It is 512. I hope your doubt has been cleared. Okay, right. Now I have to discuss second question of the exercise. I am talking about second question of the exercise. Listen to question carefully. Listen to the question carefully. If a matrix has 24 elements, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible orders it can have? 24 elements itre possible order ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 1 minute. 21 A21, 1 minute. In the first question, A21. Yeah, correct. Look at this question. Look at this question. Look at this. It is A21. A21 means here. It is 2. It is 1. It is 35. Correct. It is. Make correction here. It is 35. Second row, first column. Yes, it is second row, first column. Fine. Okay. Next, I am talking about second question. What is second question? If a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible orders? They are asking you to write possible orders. What if it has 13 elements? 24 elements idre order eno? 13 elements idre order eno anta keltidare. 13 idre enappa? Factors are 1 and 13 only. So 1 and 13 only iddaga order enagutte? 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Idu answer. 24 elements idre I have discussed this already, no? ಎಷ್ಟು possible factors ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು orders ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, so I'm giving you homework now. I have to stop now because already it is 12 o'clock. I want to give you homework now. So today's homework is those who have textbook, no? Textbook ಇರೋರು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೀಗೆ. Exercise 3.1 ನಲ್ಲಿ homework is question number 2 and question number 3. ಎರಡು question homework ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, so textbook ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಇದಾಯ್ತು question number 2 and question number 3. textbook ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋರು